Hey, hi guys. In this video, we're gonna be learning about uh, MIT App Inventor. This is an application in which you can create. Uh,
Abu,
yes.
Abu,
What's up?
I somehow logged out. Can you log me back in
Like,
after this meeting?
no, can't you see the screen?
I said after this meeting.
Oh yes. After this meeting, sure. Okay, so using this application, basically you can create mobile apps using the UI, and that's what we're gonna show how the kids can actually make the mobile application. You would be going to this app inventor.mit.edu and click on create apps. Okay, if you are doing it for the first time, it's gonna be basically asking you need to log in, so you can use your email account in order to log in. So this is the first thing you're gonna see here, and now here are the things. The thing is that you can select the font size, and you can select the type of the Android and the Android and the iOS screen. Okay, so this is screen one. You can know which screen you are at by looking at this button. You can add a screen. If you want to add a new screen, you're gonna be clicking this one. Project properties. If you wanna, uh,
Abu,
yeah, what's up?
what can I teach?
Tell me which thing to cover.
When you press add screen, you can go to your block. When you press add screen and then okay, you can
Should I name it the screen two or something different?
you can name it anything you want.
Okay,
Uh,
okay,
and you and when and go back to screen one,
yeah,
add a button, or do you have already have a button?
yeah, I have it.
And then name the button button screen. Go to screen two,
Okay,
and then go to blocks
okay,
and go to and go and then press then press the go to screen two button. The screen two two button, and then and then um and then go to control and then go wait
shouldn't it be screen one?
yeah screen one, go to screen one
It is screen one.
the screen button, the screen one button, the
Screen one,
screen
but
one.
yes, this is screen one.
Wait, no, it's supposed to go to it's when go to screen
No,
two,
there is no screen one option right now.
screen two, click, do, and press, press,
Control.
press control, and then open another screen, screen name, screen two.
Where is that?
It's right there. Slow down!
Okay.
There!
This one.
Yes. And now, go to designer.
Oh, I got it, got it. I think I named
Go
it
to
wrong.
designer
Give me 1 second. Yeah, I
and
gotta
press connect. Press connect. Press the
connect.
connect button.
Where's the connect button?
There.
Oh, over here.
No, there. You just passed it.
Connect.
There.
Wait 1 second.
There.
Oh, here. Yes, got it. Okay.
Our companion.
No, but then I have to do my real phone, right?
Yeah, you can connect your
Let's
phone with it.
try to do with the emulator. Unable to retrieve help appears running. Okay. So maybe if you have an emulator running on your
Our
computer.
companion,
Yeah, AI
and you'll
can.
have to go to the app. And you'll have to go to the app using your phone, and then you can like scan it, and then when you press the texture button one, it will go to screen two.
Nice. So basically, when you click on it, we
It
programmed
doesn't
it.
work like this.
Yes, yes, I got it. I got it. I'm trying to say that when you click on it, it's gonna. The logic says that when the screen 2 button is clicked, another screen with the screen name should open. Okay, that's nice. Let's cover few more things. Okay, I'm gonna.
You're deleting all of them?
Yeah,
Why?
I wanted to show it, add it one by one, just to tell, just to explain what everything is. Okay, so we already talked about the button. You click on the button, right, Ibrahim?
Yeah?
Okay, do you know the next one? Oh, sorry. Save the screen, empty screen, restore the previous version. Save the screen one had been. Save the screen. Okay, do you know what a checklist, a checkbox is?
When you when you press on it, it will make you write something. Write write something, and you'll have to press enter, and you'll have to and
Yeah, like if you are trying to make a checklist for today, you would say,
like what if say you'll need to you need to have a password for this. Uh, you'll need to enter your computer password, and you just enter it, and then if it's and then it might say correct or wrong.
so basically, if you are, let's say, if you are trying to make a list of things you are supposed to do, so you would say completed homework yet or not. So you can actually click on it and it's gonna put a check mark on that. Played hockey today, you can actually click on it and it's gonna put a check mark on that. Had breakfast, brushed my teeth. So you can make a list.
Abu,
Yeah,
Abu,
yeah, what's up?
you can you can make your Common Tech app on Common Tech.
Yeah,
On the app inventor.
yes, yes. Okay, so here's another one, Ibrahim. It's called a circular progress. Do you know what that is?
No?
So let's say if you started something, right? You started a Bluetooth connection to the device, and once you started it, before actually connecting to the Bluetooth device, you want to turn this thing on, just to tell the user that something is going on, something is in progress. And once you are done connecting to the Bluetooth, you're gonna remove it. This circular progress is not gonna show up anymore. So this is to tell the user that hang tight, something is in progress, don't keep clicking buttons, you need to wait because we are doing something in the background. Did you get that?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can actually say that you can change the color of the circular progress. You can change the color to something. You can change the height, right? You can say you can change the width, and basically this is like to change different, like how it's gonna look like. But basically you would be using it that, let's say, when the button is clicked, you need to turn this thing on, maybe in an if block, if this thing happens, right? If this
You'll need to connect circular progress one.
what?
You'll need to connect circular progress one. Don't just leave it open.
Yeah. I'm just saying that, I'm just telling them that when it's gonna happen, maybe you're gonna turn that circular progress if some condition is met. Okay, date picker. Do you know what a date picker is?
Yes.
What is a date picker?
I don't know.
Date picker is like when you click on it, it's gonna open up a calendar for you, and you can pick a date from it, and it's automatically gonna uh, select that date for you. So maybe
So it's like gonna be a spinning wheel.
no, maybe you. It's
So
not a
the
spinning wheel. So when you open it, it may open up a calendar like that, and when you click on one of the dates, it's gonna say, okay, today is 06 1424, something like that. Did you get that?
yeah.
Then the images are simple. You already know you can select an image, and in order to choose an image, what you would do is like picture. You can upload a picture from here, and it's gonna show up here. Then the labels, right? This can be at the top. Maybe we can name it uh, my first app. Then we have a linear progress, right? You know what that is? Also, if you don't know something, you can click on this question mark icon, and it's gonna tell you more about it. So a visible component that indicates the progress of an operation using an animated linear bar. So again, it's the same thing, which is the circular progress. Circular progress is also indicating that the progress of an operation using an animated loop. So both are for the same thing. So when you wanna tell the user that the app is busy doing something, you can either use the circular progress, which is gonna be a circle showing like the app is in progress, or you can use the linear progress where a bar is gonna be moving in this way, showing the user that the app is working on something. Hang tight. Then we have a list picker.
Abu,
Yes.
cross that thing. Cross the connecting. The thingy that you spell connect. No, that.
Oh, this one. Okay, in the list picker, what is the list picker? So in the list picker, give me 1 second. So a button that when clicked on displays a list of text for the user to choose among. The text can be specified through the designer or the blocks editor by setting the element from string property. So you can actually tell them what are the different options. So you can say option 1, option 2.
That's what you said.
What?
That's what you said.
Yeah, that's what it said. So basically you can make a list and then afterwards you can uh, choose from the list. Then we have the list view. Again, this is visible component that displays a list of text and image elements. Then we have notifier. So notifier, it displays alert, dialogues, messages, stuff like that. So normally if you put it in, it's gonna be going here. Also the same goes to the connectivity.
Bluetooth silent too.
Yeah. So when you go to connectivity and try to put a Bluetooth, it's gonna show up here. These are non-visible components, but you can use them to. This one can be used to connect
I
to
created an app with Bluetooth silent.
what?
I created an app with Bluetooth
So you
silent.
created an app with the Bluetooth client, yes. And the notifier is if you wanna display a message here. Okay. Then we have the password text box. Do you know what that means?
So you'll have to enter the password.
No. Basically it's something which you would use for the, so we have a text box, right? This one. A regular text box where you would say, let's put the label here. So maybe a username, right? For a username, you would use a regular text box. But for a password, you would use this kind of text box, which is called password text box. The
That's
reason
what it
is
said.
no, so it is not just for the password, Ibrahim. It is basically if you wanna hide when someone is writing something and you don't want even the user to see what he's writing, because if there are people around him, they can look at what he is trying to type. So it can be used for the passwords. It can be used
And the
for the
username
it can be used for the card numbers, like if you're putting in the debit card information,
or the username.
or even if you want to hide the username from the user, you can use the same password text box. Do you know what the slider is?
Like you can like use it for volume and stuff like that. You could like slide stuff.
Exactly, volume or speed, stuff like that. So you can put it here and it's gonna slide, and you can, based on that, you can program that if you are trying to control the volume.
I will go to image one.
Which one?
Wait, press update, upload file. Go
Okay.
first, press upload file, and choose the file.
Why?
Choose the file.
Why?
You need to show them what it can do. Like choose the file.
Okay.
Like choose that. You can press OK, and go to image one, and press picture. Press the picture button.
The picture button. Oh, over here. Preview.
No, there.
Here.
No, on image one.
Okay. Oh, okay.
The one that says picture none.
Picture none.
No, it's on image one. It's next to image one.
Oh, picture none. Yes. Oh, now you can actually select that. Got it. Thank you for showing that, Ibrahim. Okay, so yes, so you can upload a picture from here and then go here and then select it from there. Thank you for showing that. Then we have a spinner. Is it the spinner? What is the spinner for? A spinner component that displays a pop-up with a list of elements. These elements can be set in the designer or block editor by setting the element Property to string separated. Oh, string separated columns. So the last time we were trying to do this thing where, what was it? The list picker. Remember list picker? Where did our list picker go? I'm gonna put it again. So for the list picker,
Abu,
yes.
remove list picker. Remove the list picker that you just did. Remove it.
Okay.
Now press list text for list picker 1. Text for list picker 1.
Where's the list picker?
Text
Oh,
for
this one.
list,
This one, yes.
and now it goes to it.
Yes. Oh, okay, got it, got it. So what they are saying is if you want to add a lot of elements in this list picker, you put them in a comma separated way. The way the last time I was trying to do is like by hitting the enter button. That's not gonna work. So if you want two options in that list picker, you would say comma space and then option 2 and then and the third option is gonna be comma space option 3. That's how you can have multiple elements in the list picker. Okay, the same goes with the spinner. So you can have multiple options. Option 1 comma separated option 2 comma separated option 3. That's how you can add multiple elements to this one. It's a spinner. A spinner component that displays a pop-up from a list of elements. Okay, it's like a drop down. Okay, the spinner. Okay, the switch. We all know switch, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, switch is like to toggle something. Text box. We already talked about the text box. If you want, if you don't want it to be a secret thing, you can just use the text box. If you want not to show what the user is typing, you're gonna be using the password text box. Time picker is just like the other one, the date picker, where you click on it, it's gonna show a calendar, and you click on one day, and it's gonna select the date for you. Time picker is like when you can actually select a particular time. Web viewer is like if you want to show the user like the if they want to open a URL. So maybe over here a
What's a
URL is
URL?
clicked. Sorry.
What's a URL?
Like URL www.commontech.com is a URL. So if you wanna open a website in the app, that's when you would use a web viewer. Okay.
Can you change the image?
This one is like just an indication that it's gonna open up a website for you. So it's not like in the app you won't be seeing this globe. You would be seeing the actual website. Okay, now we're gonna be talking about. I'm gonna go to screen 2. We're gonna be talking about some layouts. So if you want to have two things which are horizontally aligned, like a button and a checkbox, you can use this horizontal layout, horizontal arrangement layout. And if you also wanted to make it scrollable so people can, like in the commontech.com, I will show you how I did that. So over here, look at this one. So if we are, maybe let's show them a course, and if we go to,
Abu,
yeah,
there are actually two ways on this App Inventor how you can make them scrollable.
yes, you're right. We're gonna show them both. I'm gonna make it a phone just to show them what a horizontal, scrollable horizontal what is it called, horizontal arrangement looks like. So look over
But
here.
there's another way. There's another
Yeah,
way.
yeah, yeah, look at this one, right? So if I click here and move it, give me 1 second. It's supposed to. That demo is not going that well. Okay, over here. So basically, we have made it scrollable so people can get to all of the options, and that's when you're gonna be using uh, horizontal scroll arrangement. And okay, what is the other
Apple,
option?
there's
Yeah,
another way.
what is it?
Go to screen 2. Go to screen 2.
I am at screen 2.
No, press the screen 2 icon. No, yeah. There. Now, 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 go, go to, press tick mark on scrollable. Press the check mark on scrollable.
Okay, okay, wait 1 second. I'm looking for it.
There! It's right there.
Oh, yes. Oh, then it becomes scrollable, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but that is basically the vertical
The
scrollable.
whole screen.
No, no, no. This is not gonna make it scrollable to the right and left, would it?
It would
Yeah, it's gonna basically go up and down, which is called vertical scrollable, right? That scrollable button is gonna make it vertical scrollable. So yeah, again.
But you can't do it to the right and left only if you have a horizontal argument
Not argument, arrangement.
arrangement
Scrollable.
and it also makes it scrollable so it can already be scrollable.
Yes. Then we can also have a table arrangement, right? So we're gonna tell him how many rows and how many columns do we want. So we want 2 cross 2. So 2 cross 2. So I'm gonna put 2 buttons and 2 checkboxes. 2 checkboxes. Okay, so it has 2 checkboxes and 2 buttons. Oh, okay. Got it. So basically you can make it a 2 cross 2 table. Okay, and then we have a vertical arrangement, and as you said, it could be done using this, or you can make the whole screen scrollable. The same goes with the vertical scroll arrangement. So it's gonna have multiple things together, but at the same time it's gonna be scrollable. So if it goes out of the screen, you can scroll it to get to it. Okay, media. We can have camcorder. Do you know what a camcorder is? So
A
if
camcorder, wait, you can record.
you can record your own screen. So after the video
Is
is
it in non-visible comments?
sorry?
Is it in non-visible comments?
Yes, you are right. It is a non-visible component. So you have to program it to make it work. So you would go here, put it this one, and tell him after recording what should it do and when should it start recording.
Abu,
What's up?
after end, can you log me back in and then I'll show them my one of my apps.
Okay, yeah, we can actually do that. And then camera. Okay, the camera is here. Again, is the camera is also a non-visible component. Again, if you want to take pictures with your phone. File picker, if you want the user to upload a PDF or a resume, or maybe some homework they did and you want them to upload it, You would be using the file picker. Then image picker is like if you want the user to have upload a particular image. Player
If you want to play a video.
if you want to play an audio, right?
Yeah.
Or maybe a video too, right? Sound if you want your app to say something.
You can also use the slider for sound.
Yes, you can also record the sound. That's nice. And speech recognizer, you can actually listen to what the user is saying. So it's gonna be using the phone's mic.
Why are those all non-visible comments?
Yeah, because the users don't have to see those on the screen. They just so basically you're gonna be using a button to program it so that it can start a video, or it can start using the camera, or it can start recording something. So you will be using the buttons, checkboxes, images, those things to make use of these ones, the non-visible components. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have text to
But
speech.
why they all of those non-visible
They're
comments?
all because they all needs to be to work in the background, like text to speech, right? For this one, someone is gonna be talking, and it's gonna become it's no. Text to speech is like you're gonna be telling him what to say, and it's gonna say out loud. So maybe over here you would go to text to speech, and you would tell him what is that you wanna what is the message you wanna say. So you would write a message here, and that is gonna say it out loud. Maybe your app wants to say you wanna do is that when the user starts the app, it should say welcome user. Okay, we have a translator. Use this component to translate words and sentences between different languages. So you can actually use a translator. That's nice. You can also have a video player. So I think this player one, is an audio player, and you can also have a video player. But this time, look at that. This time it is a component. Sorry, a visible component, because you want to show the video somewhere. Okay, we have some drawing and animations. We have ball, which we can show, canvas, image sprite. We can also show the maps, some charts, some more charts. We can also show some sensors. We can also share something, right? Maybe we want to share the link of the app. We can have the storage. Maybe we want to save something in a file we want to save, or we want to upload it to some kind of internal database. We already talked about the connectivity. You can connect it to the web or serial or Bluetooth. Have you used this one, Ibrahim? Lego Mindstorms?
No.
Okay, maybe in another video we're gonna be covering that. Oh,
Wait,
this is an
is it for like is it for like our like if you want to create an app about our Lego thing that like our Lego set that we have?
Yeah, I gotta check that if
If it's for Lego education?
yeah, sprite education one you're talking about, right? I have to check which. Oh yeah, it could be. Oh, we never saw that. Maybe.
Oh, it's a different kind of one.
No, I think
It's
we
a
can
different
actually.
kind of set.
Yeah, I got it. So basically, you're talking about the regular and the other one, right? But the thing is that I think our app can connect to that motor. So you can, instead of doing it over there on the iPad, you use to control the Lego motors. Instead of doing that, you can actually uh, you can actually use the mobile application to control those motors. Wouldn't that be nice, Ibrahim?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so good because look, we have, what sensors do we have? We have the light sensor, we have the color sensor, we had motors. I forgot we had
It
another.
has more than we have.
Yeah.
That one has more than we have.
Yeah, at least we can control our motors with these things. Yeah, and that is again a non-visible component. We will give that a try. Okay guys, that's all we wanted to cover in this
So
video.
Abu,
Yeah.
what about you? You have to log me in and you and
Okay. Can you share your screen? Do you know how to share the screen?
share now. There. Share. There. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you see it, Abu?
But there is some sound.
What? What?
Wait 1 second.
What?
I can hear some sound. Can you